Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will share some points about commercial crossandra or firecracker flower cultivation. It required a temperature of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius for growth and required well-drained sandy loam and red soils with pH of 6 to 7.5 are ideal. Best advice to soil test for nematodes before planting crossandra. Crossandra needs fully swing sunlight for best yield. Fresh seeds are sown during July to October in raised beds or 15 cm apart in a lines. Watering should be done daily. The seedling will be ready to transplant within 16 to 60 days. 5 kg of seeds are required per hectare of planting. Preparation of field. Land is plowed thrice and FOM at 25 ton per hectare is cooperated. Ridges are formed 60 cm apart. Drip the roots of seedling in carbendazine 1 gram per 1 liter of water and plant on the side of ridge at 30 cm spacing. From seed product, the spacing may be 60 to 60 cm. After cultivation, spray Durion 2.5 kg per hectare for controlling the weed. Soil application of 2 kg of Azospirillum and Phosphobacteria per hectare at the same time of planting. It should be mixed with 100 kg of FOM and applied. Spray ascorbic acid 1 gram per liter of water before flower as growth regulator. On 30 days after planting, apply 250 kg neem cakes per hectare. After 90 days after planting, apply NPK and repeat this dose at quarterly intervals for time period of 2 years. Irrigation done once in a week through the drip irrigation. Pests that attack crossandra or nematode and aphids. So avoid planting crossandra in nematode infected fields. To control the pest, apply Agniastra, Neemastra and Brahmastra. This crop is 3-year duration. Harvest. Flowering will start at a month after transplanting. Fully open flowers are picked up in 2 days. An average yield of 200 kg of flowers per hectare per year can be obtained. So friends, this was the video of crossandra cultivation. If you like the content, please subscribe our channel for more such videos.